Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin fixing the error 23 on your Thermomix TM31, you will need the following tools: a screwdriver set, a soft cloth, and a can of compressed air. Make sure you have everything ready before we proceed. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source for safety. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the machine. Keep these screws in a small container so they don't get lost. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift the lid off the main unit. Inside, you'll find various components that may need cleaning. This is a great time to use the compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, locate the sensor responsible for detecting the mixing jar. It usually sits near the jar's base. Inspect this area for any signs of wear or misalignment. Clean the sensor gently with a soft cloth to ensure it's free from any obstructions. If you notice any damage, it might be best to consult a professional. We offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can assess your options without any pressure. After cleaning, check the jar's connection points. Ensure the jar sits correctly and securely in place. If the jar is misaligned, this could trigger error 23. Adjust it carefully and make sure it locks into position as intended. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the lid back on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight but don't over-tighten, as this may cause further issues. Before you plug your Thermomix back in, take a moment to inspect the power cable and connection points. A damaged cable can also lead to operational errors. If everything looks good, proceed to plug it back into the power source. Once plugged in, turn on your Thermomix TM31. If the error 23 persists, it may indicate a deeper issue that requires professional attention. We recommend getting a quote before repair to avoid any unexpected costs. In summary, fixing error 23 involves careful disassembly, thorough cleaning, and ensuring proper alignment of the mixing jar. If you're unsure about any step or prefer not to handle it yourself, remember we provide services with no calls and no travel required. You can easily book a pickup for your appliance without hassle. Following these steps should help you resolve the error 23 issue and get your Thermomix TM31 back to working order. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.